What an amazing day to launch Wipro's Industry 2.0. We are at the London Summit today, and even before getting into what the solution is, let's dive into what the customer challenges were and what the customer actually expected out of the solution.
Thank you, Bindu. It was an amazing day to launch the Industry 2.0 solution. And before getting into the solution, as Bindu said, let's start the problem statement from the customers. Over the last 2 decades, we have created a lot of digital silos in the industries. And how do we deal with the data today is the billion-dollar question in front of us. So how do we deal with data today and make better insights and make meaningful decisions for the industries at all the CX suite level of leaders and to run the business better? So how do we do that? That's through the Industry Platform, Industry Designed to Operate Platform 2.0, and the launch is here. What is the solution about? It brings together assets, platforms, processes, and people together and integrate the data from across all of these in the industries and plans to make operations better.
On the AWS platform, Industry 2.0 has been developed, implemented, tested, and also gone to production. So there are multiple ways in which you can look at it, especially the importance of Industry 2.0 or the differentiating factor of Industry 2.0, what I would call, is the way by which you can sort of slice different use cases depending upon what the customer wants. For example, the customer might not have the entire suite of products, and therefore, implementing only the use cases what the customer wants is very essential. On top of it, we do have a lot of GenAI services, for example, the Amazon's Neptune, and we also have Amazon SageMaker and quite a number of services from Bedrock as well, which helped sort of shape the entire solution from the GenAI front, thereby providing optimization of supply chain, optimization of designing, and many more cost benefits to the customer as well.
So it's a one-stop innovation end-to-end platform for all industries and all manufacturing plants in one go.